Have you ever felt like your phone screen just isn't enough anymore? Videos end up with thick black bars on the sides, split-screen multitasking feels cramped, reading comics means constantly pinching and zooming, and in games, the controls eat up half the display. Most of us simply accepted these limitations, until now. This is the Huawei Pura X Max, the world's first foldable built around a dramatically expanded display concept. And this isn't simply a bigger folding phone. Huawei is introducing an entirely different screen format here. In fact, this isn't the second-generation Pura X. The real Pura X2 will arrive separately in the future. So today, let's break down exactly how this new dual-sided expanded display changes the experience in different real-world situations.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Before you even unfold it, the Pura X Max already gives you a 5.4-inch outer display that feels complete enough to use on its own. Huawei designed the screen ratio very intelligently, making everyday browsing feel incredibly natural. News feeds look clean and easy to read without endless scrolling. Photos fill the screen beautifully with almost no black borders, and watching content on it feels surprisingly immersive. Short videos especially look fantastic here because the display uses nearly the entire screen area, giving you a much wider viewing experience that almost feels like carrying a tiny portable cinema in your hand. Whether you're checking Weibo or Xiaohongshu during your commute, catching up on headlines while waiting somewhere, or quickly scanning a QR code to pay, you can comfortably handle all of it without unfolding the device. The outer screen offers more than enough room for both content and controls. What's even better is that when folded, it still feels like a lightweight compact phone instead of a bulky foldable. The external display no longer feels secondary. It works like a complete standalone interface. Then comes the real transformation. Open it up and you're greeted with a massive 7.7-inch inner display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, 1828 by 2584 ultra-high resolution, peak brightness reaching 3000 nits, and a smart adaptive 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. But honestly, specs alone don't explain the experience. What truly stands out is how huge and immersive the screen feels in actual use. Traditional smartphones usually have tall, narrow displays, which means video content often wastes a lot of space with black bars. The Pura X Max changes that completely. Its 16:10 ratio naturally matches modern video formats far better, especially for 16:9 content, increasing the effective viewing area by nearly 50%. And this doesn't feel like some tiny upgrade on paper. It genuinely changes the experience. Watching content on a regular phone versus seeing it unfold across this massive display feels completely different. Movies, dramas, variety shows, or even short-form content suddenly become far more immersive, yet the phone still folds neatly into your pocket afterwards. Gamers will immediately understand another major advantage. On smaller screens, virtual controls often feel cramped. Accidental touches happen constantly, and the control layout blocks a huge part of the game itself. Once unfolded, the Pura X Max 16:10 horizontal layout gives games so much more breathing room. The display feels incredibly open and spacious. The joystick and skill buttons stay neatly positioned on the sides, while the center view becomes much wider than what you'd get on a standard phone. On top of that, the Kirin 9030 Pro Flagship processor delivers strong performance, keeping gameplay smooth even during intense team fights without noticeable lag or frame drops. Combined with Harmony OS 6.1 and Huawei's upgraded Arc engine, overall system performance improves by around 30%. People often say gaming on foldables is just a gimmick, but when the display ratio actually works properly and the performance keeps up, it starts becoming a genuinely compelling experience. Reading is another area where the Pura X Max feels surprisingly well balanced. Phones usually feel too small for comfortable reading, while tablets can feel oversized and inconvenient to carry around. This device sits perfectly in between. When unfolded vertically, the 7.7-inch 16 by 10 display shows almost as much text as a real printed book page, reducing constant page flipping and making reading feel smoother and more natural. But comics are where the experience becomes truly impressive. The wider aspect ratio makes comic pages appear almost life-sized, closer to holding an actual comic book open in your hands. Full-page artwork looks complete, panel details stay sharp, and the entire experience shifts from reading comics on a phone to genuinely feeling like you're holding the real thing. Huawei also added a new AI eye-tracking comic reading feature that takes the experience even further. And once you're done reading, it folds right back into a compact pocket-sized phone, making it easy to continue reading anywhere from your desk to the subway. For photography outdoors, the Pura X Max introduces its own approach through the X-MAGE imaging system and the X-MAGE selfie experience. The selfie features in particular are especially interesting. When taking mirror-style shots, the system intelligently recommends matching color styles based on the environment. For portrait photography, AI not only helps frame the shot and guides camera positioning, but even suggests poses for the subject. What makes it even more useful is that the person being photographed can view pose demonstrations live on the outer display while shooting. Simply following the on-screen guidance makes it much easier to capture great-looking photos every time.
And there's one more thing worth mentioning. Huawei also introduced another new Pura series device, the Pura 90 Pro Max, and it arrives with the brand new X-MAGE selfie system as well. From shooting modes and visual styles to camera settings and framing suggestions, it even helps recommend poses, all with one goal in mind, making it easier for you to capture great-looking photos. It feels less like a camera tool and more like a system that actually understands how you like to shoot. Huawei's Red Wind primary color technology pushes this even further by reproducing colors in a way that feels much closer to what the human eye naturally sees. Whether it's the soft transition of sunset colors or the warm glow created under indoor lighting, scenes that usually confuse traditional image processing are handled much more naturally here. With the second-generation X-MAGE Red Wind imaging system, colors look balanced, realistic, and layered instead of overly saturated or artificial. The result is photos that already look polished straight out of the camera, so there's no need to spend extra time editing before posting them to your WeChat moments. But honestly, some of the most interesting features come after you take the photo. Powered by AI, Huawei designed the Huawei M-Pen 3 Mini specifically for the versatile Pura X Max, introducing the world's first mobile phone drawing-to-generation experience. It turns quick ideas into creative visuals almost instantly. For example, after snapping a picture, you can open the new AI Inspiration and Creation feature inside Huawei Notes and use the stylus to sketch sunglasses or a jacket onto your pet's photo. The AI recognizes exactly what you're trying to create and generates a realistic, stylish, and adorable result. Share it in your group chats, and it's the kind of thing that instantly gets everyone laughing. The large 7.7-inch display also makes a huge difference for creativity. Drawing on a small phone screen usually feels cramped, like scribbling tiny doodles onto a sticky note. But using the Pura X Max feels much closer to sketching freely inside a real notebook. The expanded display doesn't just give you more room, it gives your creativity more freedom to exist naturally. Then there's one of the Pura X Max's most unique features, the brand new Wing Companion AI. Unlike traditional voice assistants that simply wait for commands, Wing Companion AI takes a much more proactive approach. You don't need to constantly open apps or manually ask for help. Instead, it quietly learns your habits and understands what you're doing in the background, then appears exactly when it's useful. Wing Companion AI operates through 3 modes: Background Companion, Side-Mounted Persistent Mode, and Expanded Window Mode. Thanks to the large foldable display, the AI can stay on screen alongside whatever you're already doing instead of interrupting you. So while reading, it can help explain difficult terminology or translate foreign words. During conversations, it can pull up schedule reminders or relevant information at the perfect moment.
The experience feels more like subtle assistance rather than an intrusive assistant constantly demanding attention. Traditional AI systems only react after you ask something. Wing Companion AI tries to prepare useful information before you even think about requesting it. That small difference completely changes the role of AI, from being just another tool to becoming something closer to a smart companion. A lot of people still say foldable phones are just gimmicks, devices that fold simply for the sake of folding. But after experiencing the Pura X Max, that argument starts feeling outdated. This isn't just another foldable phone. It feels more like a multi-function smart device that just happens to fit into your pocket. Other foldables mainly change the form factor. The Pura X Max expands the actual experience, not only the display itself, but the possibilities that come with it. The Huawei Pura X Max, the world's first truly expanded foldable phone, feels incredibly immersive in person. And honestly, that sense of expansion is something you can only fully understand once it's actually in your hands. The base version of the Huawei Pura X Max starts at 10,999 yuan in China, which is roughly 1,193 pounds in the UK and around 1,613 US dollars in the United States. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!